So this is the Microsoft Azure Portal overview video tutorial. So in this tutorial video, you will learn how you can navigate the portal of the Azure. So when you logged into portal.azure.com, so this is the home page when you have a newly created account, and if you don't have any resources is created, it looks like this. So I will start from the top. So here you can search any type of the resources, whatever you want. Like if I want to search the Databricks, so you can search here the Databricks resources. If you want to search the SQL database, means whatever the resources you have need to be created in the Azure. Resources in the nothing but all the Azure component, like all the services, not the component, all the services which is Azure is offering. And right corner you can see all the name. If you click on this icon, you will see the basically the email address this Azure account is logged in. So if you are working in the real time, you will get this email related to company. So here we have some feedback of the Microsoft. Here we have the setting button. If you have want to change some type of the setting, so this is the default directory created for the my account. So every account Microsoft creating some type of the default directly. I already had discussed about how you can create the free Azure account on the last tutorial video. Other than this, you will get some type of notification, whatever notification we have. And here we have the some free online courses. If you want to learn from the Microsoft, just if you can click, they will provide you the some free courses, whatever the Microsoft is offering here. So you can learn from this free of cost. You can also attend demo and the live Q&A session which is offering by the Microsoft. Start a project with the quick start center, explore support resources. If you require any support, you can click on this window. Now this is the very important like Azure services what I have just talking. So Azure services is the what services the Azure is offering here. You can create all the services. So right now this is the newly create portal, so I don't have any resources created. So in the down you will see the if any resource is created. So you can see we have the Azure AI Foundry, Kubernetes, virtual machine, app services, Azure account, SQL database. This is also called Azure SQL, Azure Cosmo DB. If you click on the more services, you will get all the services list here. Okay, so suppose if you want to create any type of the storage account. Okay, so you can also search all that services storage account. Okay, so you can see the storage account is coming. If I want to create the Azure Data Factory, okay, so you can just type the what services you require. So if I type the Data Factory, so Data Factory will be create here. Okay, so same like if you want to create the Databricks, so you can see the Databricks is coming. You can also add all the services in the Fabric if you want to add. And whenever after the services is created, you can see on the recent services whatever is created. Okay, so in the left side you have the favorite. So whatever the you are adding here, so this will be showing under this. So like for example, if I'm always opening some data bricks. Okay, so you can see Azure Databricks I can add in favorite. Okay, so if you click on the favorite, this will be show under the Databricks. Same recently whatever the services you created, and we have couple of the category AI, machine learning, integration. So if you click on the integration, you will see the all the services related to the integration. If you have any type of the migration services, you can see this is the Azure Data Migration Services, Azure Migrate. So this is all the services offering by the Microsoft. If you click on the storage, what type of the storage services they offering the Microsoft. So all these things you can see in this portal. And once you click on again the Microsoft Azure, you will again redirecting to the home page. So this is the basically complete overview of the entire Microsoft Azure cloud platform. And this is the very demandable in the market right now. All the legacy system are basically migrating to the cloud, either in the Azure, AWS, and GCP. And always Microsoft offering a very like product very user friendly. So that is the reason in the market the Azure are more demandable. So I hope you understand how you can navigate the Microsoft Azure portal. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep going.